Okay, I think we should be live here. Okay, just for update, if you're wondering what the hell is this weird thing on my screen, I basically did some research and downloaded a risk management tool just for quicker execution. It's from, I'm not affiliate or anything, it's from Earn Forex, so I'm going to test this out um, and see how it works for me. I just thought it could help. Like you saw this morning, I struggled with doing the position sizing manual quite quick. You just move this stop loss, so I want to enter here, and you just press trade. There's hotkeys as well. I got the hotkey for trading on. Um, so yeah, I'm gonna give it a go, see how it works. I think it'll just be a bit faster, but let's see how it goes today. I only have it on these two pairs for now. Let's see if you move the stop, it changes from short to long, so I don't have to change that in the program. That's quite cool. Okay. Anyway, it's quite annoying that this line has to be here the whole time. But let's look around it. I haven't even done my daily markups for US yet. So let's do that quickly. I did take, if you're wondering, there's a bunch of little random trades, like these small ones. This was just for testing this thing. So yeah, it's not actually trades that I took. Um, which actually get quite some cool like trading panels and stuff on MQL5. One of them's paid, so I'm considering that one, but quite advanced. You can scale out and stuff, so I wouldn't have to open two positions like I have been. Just want to check that my risk is correct on these. Still doing 0.5 risk per pair and opening two trades for that. So it should be 1% per pair. Anyway, okay. I'm not prepped for this open at all now. I don't know if my overnight range is marked out even. Let's just see. Yeah, I might miss the open here, but I'm rather gonna prioritize just trading properly instead of just rushing blindly into some trade. I have no idea what I'm taking. About 22 seconds here. Daily level should suffice though. Seems like we're in a downtrend. Maybe a 560 level. This one seems over to be an uptrend. No, wait. No, it seems more like an uptrend now, to be honest. Let's see, I'm just gonna sort of my hands of it here. I'm also quite tired. Um, so this might just be a short session. We'll see. That's roughly the overnight range. So we are still trading within that. I just need to not get confused and think this is some type of support or resistance line. It kind of looks like almost a prior bar high, yeah. But still some indecision here. Might just get rid of this line later or do some different color or something. Perhaps I'll do white. I don't know. I think there are better programs out there though that kind of show more a classic RR type situation. So it doesn't clutter your screen up like this one, for example. Hmm. Just gonna keep this at the bottom of my screen for now. This is really busy annoying me. Actually, also within the overnight range. They're quite just a ranging market, to be honest. Dailies also just looking, just seeing that we're probably picking up some of the imbalance here. Be looking at going long, but I don't really have any real confidence, just to be honest. This one's seeming like a long. I treat it as a retracement and take a short. Still just really not seeing anything I want to trade here. Perhaps if we close below here, I'll take it as a short. Let's see. I don't think we will though. NASDAQ also not really a strong close. What about X looks a bit better. I might be a bit late on the DAX now. Let's see. No, it's quite a good reversal signal. Entering long on, not yet. Considering long 2 positions. I'm gonna try get them to break even as quickly as possible. Oh geez, these are massive. I was meant to do half a, oh it works, but I was meant to do half a percent risk in total, not moving to break even. I should have maybe just kept them underneath the stop. Underneath the low, I mean. The risk just messed with my head now. Let me just change this before I make the same mistake somewhere else. Yeah, I don't think this is going to hold. Just checking it out, both stops in place. Yeah, it seems to be working back in. Would have been ideal if I rather put them under here. Let's see. Still just a lot of indecision. It does make it a lot easier just from first go now. I can get in a lot quicker with the hotkeys. Just tapping Shift T. And then also um, the position sizing seems pretty accurate. Might be looking at, like, we haven't broken structure here yet, but I might be looking at taking a sell below prior buyer. Or just getting back in, to be honest. The rest of the markets aren't looking too hot. This one seeming like a nice kind of a retracement, but I would like to see this one go a bit more bearish. And this one's just whacking. Leaning towards the bearish side for now though. Except on DAX, I'm surprisingly bullish. Yeah, I think I'm going long on DAX again. I didn't mean to move these two, I meant to move this one. That's a lot better size. These are still in decision. Yeah, it would have been a bit nicer if I could have stayed in this previous position and not moved my stop so quickly. Let's just move them up though. So at least do mitigating risk too. Might not go very high though. Yeah, I don't like this trade, it's starting to seem like a bad trade. Just my idea was the 10-minute seemed like a pretty strong bullish bar. And then the 15-minute forming like this, it kind of looked to me at least that we are going to break out there. I was taking this as kind of a pullback setup, but let's see. It's only 1/4% risk on these, so not too bad. After this rally, it's quite an indecision there though. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see those we should have. Yeah, if we could have held on to this trade, it would have been a lot nicer. Let's see though. Still just a lot of indecision. I don't think we're gonna close above, which isn't gonna look good for this trade. Yeah, very likely we might see a move now to the downside. Just give me a second, my Spotify is busy messing with me. I think my Spotify just died. Ooh, this one's starting to look bearish. This one as well, I might take a sell here if we break those lows. Okay, we stop off. Entering here. Accidentally went full screen and now I don't know how do I pull up my damn trade panel. Give me a moment. Let's just dissolve through. Dissolve the okay, full screen's out. Now we need tools. Give me a moment, guys. One sec. Okay, I fixed that. I was busy shitting bricks, to be honest with you guys. Might take a trade here as well. These ones I might move the profits in. DAX is looking bullish again. I don't know, climb into the same trade idea. Just give it a sec. I didn't intend to move these, so I will just be. What are they on now? 26, so I'll just move them a bit lower. So it's 25. Okay, we're moving now, it seems. Oh, we did. It's taking a go. NASDAQ seems to be moving though. So no movies again. Might be moving very nicely if this 15-minute can play out. No, I'm just sticking to the 5-minute. Yeah, this tool does make it a lot easier. You can see my executions here are almost on the spot the same. Going to be moving to break even now. Potentially taking profit on one position. Same for NASDAQ. Taking profit soon for USD. Let me let it run. It's fine if it turns around. I don't know if we're gonna break this overnight low though. That's my only concern. I'm gonna start close that one. The rest I'll let them run. At least we just minimize. Might actually be looking at adding in if this candle doesn't remain strong. I'll potentially be looking at adding in because it doesn't, might still prove me wrong, but it doesn't seem like a lot of bearish resistance as of now. Maybe this one seems to be bullish resistance, I meant. Let me just move it to exactly the beginning. Okay, I might be completely wrong here. I'll be adding one in. Same for USD. I reckon we could possibly still just reach the bottom at least. Might see retracement now because this was a massive 15-minute candle in the bearish direction. But it still seems to be going very bearish. Possibly we could even just be breaking lows, yeah. Very volatile. Let's see. Could see us retracing and getting stopped out as well. It's gonna take a minute to go to the bathroom. I'm back. I see we're still fighting a bit here. Just keep waiting. Now we are reaching this easy indecision candles low, so it's very possible that we might see a spike back up. Might take profit soon. I'm not. I want to set this up, but I'm not feeling confident we're gonna break this low. Not with this momentum anymore, at least. I don't know if there is a close all positions. Yeah, would be a nice addition. Only thing is, if this breaks here, I think we're gonna definitely see pushes lower, and then I'd be very happy with myself if I took profits too early. But I think I'm going a bit too high on my time frames now. Let's wait it out on the 15-minute and see. At least a 10-minute. Looking to me, this one might be stopped out now. Oh geez, this one's even closer. Okay, stopped out of NASDAQ. This trade didn't have a stop loss, that's a mistake on my part. I'll take this as a prior bar if we get closer to the end. Taking this as prior bar, I think. We're close above that bar, so that's not looking too good. Could take a prior bar here. Oh, I didn't mean to move that. Apologies, guys. It's this red one I want to move. 10-minute bar, that's not looking good. Still seems very bullish to me. Oh, that's what's going on. Spotify is down. I was wondering what's going on. Okay, interesting. not looking good though. Well, the 15-minute looks a lot better. Just gonna keep sitting through these. We sat through this much, so. You know, not looking too good for the day. Might be adding another year. Just wanna make sure it's in profit before I add. It's part of some of my rules. Adding. Also adding for NASDAQ soon. Adding to NASDAQ. Just set these all on the 15 minutes. How's DAX doing? I haven't looked at that one. I'll be back in a second. So I came back to this mess. Not seeming great so far. Maybe we even take out the prior bar before continuing lower. I think I'm about to be taken out here. Seems very bearish, yeah. And this consolidation doesn't give me much of. Yeah, I entered this one a bit too early. I should have waited for this candle to fully form. That was what I was going for. If this one formed another bearish candle. Let's see, we're still in the fight. For now at least. I think these ones are about to get stopped out on NASDAQ again. Definitely need to stop using a bit wider stops for US market. Okay, stopped out of NASDAQ. That puts us at about 1.5 for the day, minus 1.5. And I think we're gonna, yeah, stop out of DAX as well. Okay, it's just about an hour now, so I think I might stop it here. I don't really see. This is just seeming indecisive to me now. And if I could see is if this is perhaps a form of a parabola, but I don't think so. Let's see something. 3% should be around there. Would be the same for NASDAQ, I'm guessing. M30 also still seems bullish. Bearish, I mean. Yeah, I might be taking just wait it out. Let's wait for this 5-minute candle. It's about 30 minutes till this bar closes as well. It's still just seeming too much indecision. I think we're still just chilling as 4 hour range. I'm gonna keep an eye though, if we do see a breakout below this level, I think I'm gonna look at getting short, but I think shorting here in the middle now is just gonna cause me trouble. Of just getting stopped out constantly. Just feels so overwhelmingly bearish, but maybe we just keep pushing, you never know. Starting to seem like another indecision day. Open was here, low, high, back to the open now again. Okay, yeah, I'm ending the stream, but I'll be looking at breakout buys down here. Thanks so much for watching, so I'll most likely see you guys tomorrow.